Welcome student in my happy learning class. In today's we will do adjectives. So what are adjectives? It is the part of English language, and adjectives, these are also called describing words, right? So an adjective is a describing word. We can say like this. Or in definition we can say adjective are the words which tell something more about a noun, right? So if a sentence is telling something about a noun but it is telling something more, that is adjective. Okay, so it is used to describe the noun. It also answers to our how, whose, sometimes other questions also. Like example, I have taken our teachers told us a funny story. So our teacher told us a funny story. So how was the story? Funny. And who told you? Our teacher. Right. Next rule is it is normally placed before the noun. So normally adjectives are placed or written before a noun, but sometimes it is placed after a noun also. Sometimes, but normally it is placed before a noun. So if question is given to you that underline the adjectives. See, first read the sentence, understand it, and then think what is said about the noun. So if you will think in your mind, you will easily get that what is said about the noun. So I have written some sentences with adjectives, and you have to underline, or sometimes these types of exercise are given to you. If you are in junior classes, exercises are given to you only to underline the adjectives, and if you are in higher classes, so you have to fill the adjectives in the given blank. So let's see here some sentences I have written. So first sentence is, there is a big tree in the garden. So there is a big tree. So here I have underlined tree, but tree is noun. So here what word should be underlined? Big. So big tree, right? There is a big tree in the garden. So how is the tree? Big. And how is the tree? Sorry, big. So big is adjective. The song is melodious. So how is the song? Melodious. So here see, noun is song and this adjective is placed after noun. So look at and read the sentence properly. Then Shilpa was wearing a beautiful dress. So how is the dress? Beautiful. How is the dress? Beautiful. Rakesh is an honest boy. So Rakesh is an honest boy. That means how is the Rakesh? Adjective is honest. Right? Rakesh is an honest boy. Aryan is a naughty boy. So how is Aryan? Aryan is a boy, and how is he? Naughty. Right? So here this sentence we will skip because here it is adverb I have written. So excuse me. And then there are 16 students in our room. So there are 16 students. 16 students. So this is adjectives. Right? Later on we will do kinds of adjectives, but today it is introduction video for adjectives. Like Indian people enjoy good reputation. Indian people enjoy good reputation. So these are the examples of some adjectives, and you can learn from your language book more and more sentences about adjectives. And see, always read one sentence, two sentence, three sentence, and then fifth sentence you have to make yourself. Try to make sentences yourself. Then your concept will be clear about adjectives or any topic. So once again, what is adjective? Adjectives are the describing words, or an adjective is a describing word, and it is used to describe a noun. Like it is normally placed before the noun, and sometimes it placed after the noun. So whatever is described about noun, it is adjective. So I hope all is clear to you, and please Do practice. In language, English language, practice is must, right? So English language is like a maths. So maths need practice. So English language also need practice. So keep learning. Happy learning. See you next class. Have a good day.